I just got to the Hidden Lakes apartments, hotel and apartments here in Cambridge and Waikato. And I'm gonna give you a little room tour. I'm just here alone this time. So as you enter the front door of the hotel room, this is my view. Right on my left, I have a little closet with a hanger, ironing board, a luggage rack, and an iron. Right around here, I have a little mini fridge that has a little carton of milk, a drawer which is empty, and some dish rags. Right over here, there's a selection of Ceylon tea. Not really sure. These are pyramid tea bags, and I'm gonna definitely try some of them. And then there's an espresso machine, some glasses, a mug, cups for tea, tea kettle, trash, a little desk with a booklet, and here there is random information about the place, I assume, and a TV. Right over here is the phone, a charging station, some tissues, the bed. It's a really large bed. And over here we have the AC. Let's check out the bathroom. So I don't really know how to turn the light on. Anyway, here we have some towels, a shower with some toiletry supplies, some more hand soap and stuff, and lotion, a trash. Yeah. And not forgetting, we have a little balcony. So let's check out the view. So right over here we have a balcony. There's not much to it, but the AC system, but it overlooks some trees and a lake, and the weather's beautiful out, but there's not much else here. Alright, take two for the bathroom. I finally figured out how to turn the lights in the bathroom on. I need to put my key in the front door one and it turns the light on. So right here is the bathroom. Here's the shower. There is a handheld shower and shampoo, conditioner, and a hand and body wash. And then right over here we have a hand towel, some washcloths, and that's me. And we have a hand wash and a hand and body lotion. And right over here is a hairdryer and some towels and an extra TP. So right over here is the toilet, and the TP folded in a little triangle. Anyway, so here is another view of the room. Alright, little thing to add with the amenities here. During stayover, they added a little dishwash, and all the amenities are from Ashley & Company, which I just realized is a New Zealand company, and it smells amazing.